Hey, my name is Bronny. This is Bronny X Revenge, and we're back here with another video. If you guys don't know, I do a bunch of mystery boxes and unboxings for you guys, so you guys can see the best prices to, get clothes and hypebeast material. But without further ado, this week we're having a Scarce Part 2. Everyone loved that first Scarce unboxing. It actually has like almost 300 views, if not 300 views right now, so it's like one of my top 5 videos, and I was pretty satisfied with what I got. With that being said, I got their mystery box from this month's drop. I believe it was like $248. I picked Bape, so let's just see what they have. But we're going to open this up with this little knife right here. It's pretty safe, it barely comes up, so I'm not going to damage the box or nothing. So let's just cut this right up. Open this thing up. God. Man, this is a hard box. Okay, so far we got half of the box open. I'm not weak, guys. Trust me. I just gotta put my back into it, So opening up the box. I don't know what this is. It's probably gonna say what's inside. I'm not looking at that. I'll let you guys see. As y'all know, I love mystery boxes. I don't want to be spoiled with my surprise. So let's see what's inside of here. Opening up the box, I might have opened it up upside down. I really don't know, but it's there we go. So we have our Scarce logo right there, and honestly, I don't know if it's pronounced like Scarce or Scarce. I like saying Scarce, so I'm gonna say Scarce. But I've seen a lot of different YouTubers say Scarce. I'm gonna go with Scarce because I like the way that sounds, honestly. But as y'all can see, it's a pretty good box. Has gold on the sides, gold in the name. I actually keep my boxes, my other ones, in my garage. But without further ado, let's just open this thing up and see what I got. I know you guys are all waiting. Opening up the box. Of course, we have our Scarce paper right here. If yours come with this, it's not authentic. No, I'm playing, but it says Scarce highly curated mystery boxes revealing the best value in luxury streetwear, and tag at scarce.drop to be reposted in our story. So yeah, you guys should tap in with Scarce. This is my second box with them. We're going to see if it's worth it. Okay, so unveiling this paper. I don't want to see them block my face. Take this paper off. And what is it looking like, guys? What is it looking like? Let's see. What is this? This is looking like a brand called Noah, huh? Alright, let's see what this is. This is a shirt, and it looks like it says Noah. I could see Noah on the tag. I haven't heard of the brand, so let's see what the shirt's looking like. Okay, let me open this thing up. And here we have it right here. This is a white tee. It says Noah up front. And on the back, we have this graphic going on, which is actually pretty dope. I like it. And it says, "Oh no, man, no whales around here." And it has a lot going on. So it has a price tag right here, actually. And it says this is going for $100. So yeah, this is a pretty different shirt. No, I'm not mad at it. No, I like it. It's pretty cool. I like the back graphic on it, definitely. And it's always nice getting brands you never heard of, so I'm definitely gonna do some research on Noah. But let's see what's next on this box. Hopefully I get some Bape, and there you go. I have a Bape shirt right here. Next thing in the box. It's looking like, yep, there we go. A gray space camo Bape shirt. So, or just gray camo. So let's open this up and see what it's looking like. There we go. We have our white tee right here. And I definitely wanted these because I got some Bape sweats and the Bape socks. I wanted a Bape shirt to go with the whole fit, just so I can have a whole Bape fit. So this is so fire. I'm definitely pretty satisfied with this shirt right here. And if the math adds up, that's about $250 right there. That's the price of the box. So whatever I get next should be like the icing on the top, whatever you want to call it. So let's just see what I get with this Noah shirt and this Bathing Ape shirt. I already know what this is. This is HBA Hood by Air. I can tell by the bag and the HBA right here. I literally just got a Hood by Air hoodie, a $400 hoodie from a $40 mystery box with a sneaker flea. So let's see what this is looking like. Already I can tell this is like a crew neck or something. This is a very good material. Oh, and actually, it's actually a short sleeve. Man, this is a very good material shirt. And it says HBA. And it says NIV HBA. I'm guessing that's, I have no idea what that means. But that's pretty cool. That's pretty dope. And I can already tell this is a very expensive shirt because of the fabric. Like, this is some very good fabric. You guys probably can't tell from the camera, but it's some very heavy clothing. And we have our tags right here. And there's no price tag, so maybe it's in the paper. Let's see how much this stuff is. Okay, so the paper says this shirt's actually going for $180. I'm not surprised with this brand HBA. The hoodie I have was a $400 hoodie, so I'm not surprised that the shirts are nearly $200, half the price. And this Bape shirt right here is going for approximately $150. That's pretty dope right there. And last but not least, this Noah t-shirt right here is going for $100. So if I'm not wrong, I made my math with, I made my money with this box. This was a pretty fire box. I got 3 fire brands. One I haven't even heard about. I'm about to research this right after the video because I love getting new brands that I never heard about and just being able to rock them. But as you guys can see, I picked the big box. I got a Bape shirt, a HBA shirt, and a Noah shirt. So like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like my content. And Bronny X Revenge out.